Hello guys, today we will share about how to create a model in SAP Analytical Cloud. Okay, let's start the session. Before continuing the session, I will show how to create a login in SAP Analytical Cloud. First of all, to enter SAP Analytical Cloud and scroll down the mouse and to select SAP Analytical Cloud and Analytics for Intelligent Enterprise. Yeah, left top corner it try for free option is available. Just click it. Scroll down the mouse. Here there are three platforms available: SAP HANA Cloud, SAP Data Warehouse Cloud, and SAP Analytical Cloud. Now we want to SAP Analytical Cloud login, so try for free login. Here you can enter your business ID, and after entering a business ID to get the free trial option to click it. After your account is activation, go to your SAP Analytics Cloud. I am already login. Just click it to a right top corner, and here one option is create is available. Here create contains some inbuilt subtopics like story, analytical application, content, link, and model. Here now we can try to create one model. So click it on model option. Here there are three options. Start with a blank model. Here blank order, import a file from your computer. Now I am import a file from my computer, so I click this option. Select a source file. Just I want to select my source file. And I am storing my file in desktop, so I am click desktop option. Location detail 1. I have selected my source file. Now my file is loaded. Just I click 2. Okay. Just after loading of my source file, I try to import my file into SAP Analytical Cloud. My file is loaded. Going to before creating a model, you must decide which is an attribute, which is an dimension, and measure values. Here measure denote as measurable lessons and countable values. Here store name, this is some dimension. Here I have totally 6 fields like store name, latitude, longitude, quantity, the quantity, cross mark, discount details. These are all the measurable values. If you want to change your dimension and measure values, means just click it to you want to change a model. Here inbuilt it contains some of values like date, organization, generic, and measure. Here store is in generic and generic dimension. So likewise I am choosing to a generic options. This format is followed by all the fields. Now I am decide all the dimension and measure values. Once again to check all the values are denoted as correct format or not. Okay, all are entered in correct format. So just want to okay. Before I'm creating, I would say one important thing here. Measure values can represented in graphical structure in below this model. Here, this is on measure values. It denotes on measures values. Attribute values does not like that format. Okay, all the values is correct. So just want to create a model to create. Just name it to your model. It takes some time. Please wait. Model location example created has been created. Here status is source data successfully imported and the model location example created successfully. Now your model is created. Okay. Where we can show your model means to go to a right top and click browse option and here to select a file. Yeah, your model is created. Just click it. These are imported in correct format or not. Oh, now your model is created successfully. If you have any doubt means please comment, share your friends, subscribe. Thank you.